are we doing in a swamp? It's the Okefenokee Swamp in Georgia, to be precise. Okefenokee. There are rattlesnakes and the American alligators here. So what are we doing here? Can you bike here? Yes, you can bike in the Okefenokee National Wildlife Refuge. And then where can you go biking around here?
On the paved roads.
Especially on the 7.5 mile paved Swamp Island Drive. And can you see alligators from the bicycles?
Yep, you can, yes ma'am.
Bring your bike, or you could rent a bike here. This place is a breeding ground for threatening and endangered species. There are approximately 15,000 alligators living in Okefenokee Swamp. Oh my God, that's pretty scary. And we might be lucky we might see some. Things to know about alligators. Yeah, 1, don't stick your head in his mouth, right? If it is a body of water, it could contain an alligator, even a large puddle. If you're biking and you see a gator, don't just ride towards it. A selfie is not worth it. Alligators move incredibly fast, even on land, so don't approach an alligator ever. Alligators are more aggressive during mating season. The mama gators can be notoriously ferocious. So never ever feed an alligator, even if you want to, because it's illegal. For the most part, these alligators leave people alone.
Don't bring your dogs or anything. Don't walk your dogs around.
Yep, because that's like the golden arches to them. They see a dog, leave them alone. They don't want us and we don't want them.
We're gonna park our bikes here, and then we're gonna head on to the boardwalk, the Chester Island boardwalk, to see if we can find some alligators. See any alligators? No.
That looks like alligator bait right there.
Do you see any alligators?
Not up there.
Darn.
Some turtles and lizards and stuff.
That's pretty stunning. Did you see any alligators?
She cried all the way up.
You guys see any alligators?
2.
2! Woo! All right. I should have asked where. Snake! We got a snake. With 15,000 alligators.
You would think one would show up.
Well, more than one would show up. Did you guys see any alligators?
Oh, there's actually
one down there. Alligator. There he is. Oh my God. There's his head. Oh. Yeah, that's the pole. He's moving. Can he jump? If an alligator hisses at you, get away fast. So now we have to see 14,999. Where are they? What is the alligator's favorite kind of dessert?
Marshmallows.
Marsh. Get it?
Hello.
Yes.